complaint.
Maintain the discipline of this house.
Ban on single-use plastic.
Single-use plastic is being many in our area. It can pollute our health.
Yes, members of the Sabha, maintain the discipline of this house. Can you tell examples of single-use plastic?
Okay, how much of plastic is there in India? Can it be in 2 or 3 days? It takes many years. Please.
It takes preparation of paper also many years. Sorry, many days. Dear members of the Sabha, maintain the discipline of this house.
Now we replace the Honorable Speaker, now we replace the paper bags with aluminum bags. Now what's the matter?
It's not a question, it's a complaint. Repeat the complaint.
Something they said from government. Now they're saying chemicals. Then why we have to use it? According to their comment.
A few minutes later.
Honorable Speaker, the chemical mixture in our space does not harm us. If we use the single-use plastic a balanced way, we can stop to use. So if it is going more longer, so please do voting or pass our bill. We need to got conclusion about it.
Finally, I conclude that this discussion is not going to give the conclusion. So I suggest voting on this bill to pass.
It is going to be voting now. So now don't continue the same topic. Already declared.
Please cast your votes. So the bill is passed. I request the President to pass the bill.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe now Naagarjuna Group of Schools.